It's Sunday. I'm here outside. It's windy and it's been raining. Stay inside. I want to get some fish. Right now it's not raining, but the ground is soaking wet. I managed to come out and visit my plants. So look at all these perennial. These are perennials. I have a cornflower. These are lilies. I have some wild flowers that have been planted here last year. This one. A lot of cornflower. This is seeds from last year. I liked it. I did not pull them out because of I wanted these sides here just all perennials, especially just cornflower area. So I hope in few years there will be much of cornflower in this area. This one there, they're about to bloom. Right there. It's just really wet. In this area here, I tried to put some climbing rose or mini rose, but some of us just died. So I pulled them and just put it sometime. Right now, I just put them like mixed plants. But there's one rose that's survived in this area here. Originally they will be look like this supposed to. Last year it was kind of cool. They have rose there, but it died. So on this side of area here, I have this rose. Yes, this pretty. There's so much blooms and buds. And I kinda put some succulent in there. I just dug it in there. And this one side is my azalea. It was indoor azalea. I have them for 2 years, and I realized that they can survive outside during the winter. That's what it says. But I tried this year, so I planted them next to the roses. They won't get tall, It was just short bushes, so hopefully it won't die this winter. There are mess party on my shed. Kids playing there, and I put some plants in here once in a while, and then especially when I started my seeds, I put them there. And besides here, it was not propagating plants. I love this here. And this corner here is mixed plant. That one is my exotic lilies. On that side here, some of my potted plants. I have a lucelle, hibiscus there, and a lot of volunteer honey feverfews on this side here.